Meal prep delivery services. Are they any good? Let's find out. I got 4 free meals from Factor Meals, and over the next couple of days, I'm going to make them and review them for you. Disclaimer, I am not affiliated with Factor Meals. I receive no commission for this. I just want to present you with some nutritious and hopefully tasty options to stay on track. And follow me if you found this video helpful. Here's what the package looks like. Reminds you of a TV dinner from when we were growing up, right? I've got some chicken, some pork chop. I've got some more chicken. And then I also grabbed a vegan option for all of my plant-based friends. Today I want to make the green chili chicken. So here it is in its frozen form. All right. Let's take a quick look at these macros. Only 500 calories and 45 grams of protein. That's amazing. 18 grams of carbs and 4 grams of fiber. Let's do this. All right, I've got it all plated up. It's looking good. I didn't realize that that's cauliflower rice, but that's okay. We'll deal with it. All right, let's try this chicken. Fantastic. Got some chilies in there and the rice. Actually, not bad. I would recommend it.